so we're gonna remodel the kitchen in one day because that's as long as I can get my fiance out of the house for. So we are going to take down the upper cabinets. We're going to paint the walls. We're going to take off the countertops and replace them with butcher block. We're going to paint the cabinets two-tone, replace the sink and the faucet, hang a pot rack, hang a spice rack, and put up some nice floating shelves that I've pre-made already. Here helping me is Fletcher, my right-hand guy, who happens to be left-handed. And we're going to see what we can get done. So to paint the doors, I'm going to need a paint booth. We've got these nice shaker style doors, but it's got the exposed MDF. I don't like that, so I'm going to put these little wood sticky things on there, but I got to cut them down to the right size and miter the corners. Then glue them on, let the glue dry, eat some pizza, and then paint them.